Acting Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Honorable Minister for Fisheries, Honorable Minister for Industries, Honorable Minister for Health from Pondicherry, MP, MLAs, Dr. M.K. Rajagopalan, Managing Director, Dr. Prashant Rajagopalan, Dr. Rahul Menon, Dr. Veela Rajesh, Medical Fraternity, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, media friends, I am extremely happy today to be in your midst on the occasion of the inauguration of MGM Healthcare 400-bedded super-speciality hospital in Chennai. Our Vice President, known for his oratorial skill and instrumental in bringing flagship program like Metro, Chennai Metro, Smart City, etc. Our Honorable Vice President constantly advocates lifestyle modification for healthy life and is always pillar of strength and fountain of inspiration. Our Governor is a public personality inseparably involved in social, political, economical and instrumental field of Maharashtra. His dynamism and experience will be immense help for further development of Tamil Nadu. The state of Tamil Nadu is not only a trendsetter but also a game changer. Tamil Nadu has emerged as a model state in India.
Subscribe to Walgan Television.
Please subscribe Walgan Television.